If you could improve your mental health by taking a daily probiotic, would you? Hello, my name is Jacqueline, and today I will be exploring the connection that gut health can have on mental health. I will begin by providing some background on this topic and explain how stigma surrounding mental health has impacted how mental health conditions are treated, and then explore studies where brain activity has been shown to be altered by probiotics, then explore some mouse studies where altered mental states have been shown in mice taking probiotics, and lastly, investigate some human studies where results from mouse studies have been translated into seeing different levels of subjective stress and depression in humans. First, I will provide some background on this topic. Mental health and mental health disorders are something that almost everyone has some sort of connection with, whether it be through personal experiences or the experiences of someone they know. There's a large stigma that surrounds mental health and around medication for mental health conditions particularly. Additionally, these medications can cause many unwanted side effects, so if probiotics could be used in addition to these medications or instead of, this may benefit many individuals. It has long been hypothesized that the microbes living in our guts can influence brain activity. More than 2,000 years ago, Hippocrates said that all disease begins in the gut, and as recently as a century ago, Elie Metchnikoff theorized that eating yogurt could delay the effects of aging. While Elie Metchnikoff's theory was never scientifically proven, it opened the path to studies regarding how the microbes in our guts can impact the brain. From here, research has been done on how taking probiotics can impact on brain activity and overall feelings of mental well-being. Next, I will be exploring how brain activity has been shown to be altered by taking a daily probiotic. Researchers have found that the strain Bifidobacterium longum 1714 can impact brain waves and activity. The study included inducing levels of social stress in participants by an online video game called Cyberball Game. It was found that those who took a probiotic containing this specific strain of bacterium had increased theta and alpha band power. These types of waves are often associated with feelings of relaxation. This probiotic also had an impact on subjective levels of energy. Individuals who took the probiotic reported feeling more energetic when compared to their initial results and the results of those who did not take the probiotic. While this research did not show any difference in subjective levels of stress, it did reveal that altering the microbiome in our guts may have the ability to impact brain function. Furthermore, more research with different probiotics and strains has been performed on mice in order to further understand how the microbiome may impact brain activity. Researchers at the Department of Biochemical Science and Technology in Taiwan found the strain Lactobacillus paraceti PS23 had an antidepressant-like effect on mice. It was revealed that this strain reversed corticosterone-induced depressive behaviors in the mice studied. Corticosterone is often secreted in situations of intense stress. Additionally, it also improved the microbiota of the feces of the mice. As a result, the strain of bacterium had a positive impact on both the mental and physical well-being of the mice being studied. Another study saw the same results when testing mice with the strain Lactobacillus casei, and the study also referenced studies in which Bifidobacterium lactis had the same effect in mice studies. This leads to the question of whether these results can be translated into humans and the mental well-being of humans. And the answer is yes. A study published in the Journal of Translational Psychiatry found that short-term use of a high-dose probiotic containing Bacillus coagulans improved symptoms of depression for those suffering from major depressive disorder. Gut microbes interact with the brain through the central nervous system, and as a result, altering the microbiota in our guts can consequently impact the brain and the way it functions. The brain and our guts are very interconnected, and slight alterations to the microbiome in the guts can greatly influence brain activity and feelings of mental well-being. I'll ask you once again, would you take a probiotic every day if you knew that it could help your mental health? Thank you. And here are the studies that I mentioned throughout this talk.